Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us. Okay, let's start with a chilling thought. What if your AI was secretly a sleeper agent?
Now, this isn't some sci-fi plot, it's the result of a threat called AI data poisoning. Imagine it like this. You're feeding an AI a few poisoned sweets while it's still learning.
And what's wild is how this differs from other AI hacks you've probably heard about.
See, an attacker uses a simple three-step process to bake a permanent backdoor into the AI's logic.
And voila, you've got a sleeper agent AI. It passes all the normal tests, hiding its true purpose.
So you'd think this requires corrupting a massive amount of data, right? Well, you'd be wrong. It only takes about 250 malicious documents to backdoor an AI of pretty much any size.
This is exactly why security experts are sounding the alarm, calling this a whole new type of threat.
So the key thing to get is that this isn't some simple bug you can just patch out.
And this really shows the real-world stakes. The impact could be felt across our most critical sectors.
So, how do we defend ourselves? How do we create a shield charm against these digital dark arts?
The answer is actually to treat our data like code, with some super rigorous verification.
Data provenance is especially key here. It lets us trace exactly where the poison got into the system.
You see, the battle for the future of AI won't be fought over code, but over the data itself. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.